Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've done a video, but as you all know, I am doing chemo and it's very harsh on my body, and so it's very hard to do the videos when I am going through this. So today I'm actually attached. So as you can see, I have my chemo pump here and my device here, my port. The IV line is connected to my port. So I'm doing this video because I thought I did it Friday. I was like, okay, if I do it Friday, I know I have chemo Monday and Tuesday, so if I do it Friday, then it's out of the way and then I'll be okay to rest this week. And I thought I recorded, and when I went to edit, I didn't record it. It wasn't recording. I did a whole video and I didn't record. So anyway, as you can tell from the title, I am doing an Expressions mystery box unboxing for September. First time I've ever done it. I didn't know Expressions had it until I was looking for some more heat transfer vinyl, and Expressions vinyl is one of the places I ordered from before this video. It's not sponsored. I'm totally doing this because when I find something I like and something that I know is going to work for me, I like to share it with you guys. And since I can't do any tutorials right now, I figured this would be a great way to get you guys introduced to Expressions vinyl mystery box. And they do it 3 times a year. So I missed the July one, but I was able to put my name on the mailing list and I got notified for the September one. And then I actually did the subscription, so I will be doing another one in November. But before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe now. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, I'm going pretty fast because I feel myself wearing down, and I'm trying to get this done because I feel so bad. I was so excited because it's been like, what, 2 weeks since I recorded a video. So it's like seriously excited that I was able to have enough energy Friday to do the video, and it just did not work out. So it wasn't meant to be. You guys weren't meant to get the video on Friday. That's just how I have to look at things now. Everything happens for a reason, and it wasn't meant to go up Friday. It was meant to go up today. So I'm just saying. So here is this how the box comes. I'm gonna cover my address so you guys can't be finding me. But this is what the box looks like, and this little sticker that they put on it is actually very telling. I didn't realize it until I opened the box, but this is what it says. And so as you can see, I got the combo box. Now this, you can get the mystery boxes. They come in just the adhesive vinyl, they come in just the heat transfer vinyl, or you can get the combo box like I got. Anyway, let's get into this box. So we're starting off with the adhesive box, and they have a nice little list that tells you what you're getting in the package. I hope you can see that because I have the light from my window kind of open right now. And then my kids are using my office space down in the basement for school because they're doing virtual school. So that's why I'm not doing it in my office. But as you all know, I've turned this into my bedroom office. It's just easier and I don't have to walk up and down the stairs. So what we're getting in the adhesive package is glitter cinnamon. It's 12 by 12. We're getting Oracle 651 golden yellow, Oracle 651 black, glow in the dark adhesive, patterned vinyl Halloween stripes, patterned vinyl sunflower, patterned vinyl fall plaid, and grid line clear transfer tape. Tells you all that right there. So I absolutely love this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I hope you guys get a good view of it. I'm trying to do it so you don't see my ring light. But it looks brown until you see it up close, and then you say, oh yeah, I see, you know, the cinnamon and the glitter. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. And then this is so pretty. I love it. And then the black, of course, it's just black. Then here's the glow in the dark, and it's actually pretty thick too. So this would be awesome to like put on a mug or make like a Halloween decorations with it. You could I don't know, you could do so much with this. I think it's awesome. I'm gonna probably put these on some mugs for the kids for Halloween, since we're not going trick-or-treating this year. Sorry, COVID, we're not going. Then we have the Halloween stripes, and it's orange, black, and it has white, and inside the white is like speckles of black in it. Come on, ring light. I hope you guys can see that. And then we have the sunflowers. Those are really pretty. I like that. And then the fall plaid. This is nice too. And you could combine these and just, you know, make something awesome out of those. And then they give you the transfer tape for that. Let's get into the HTV, which kind of goes along with the same colors that you get for the adhesive. And don't mind my hair, it's doing its own thing right now. Okay, so for the September mystery box with the HTV, you get metal red, you get glitter copper, multi-use paper, Easy Weed sun yellow, Easy Weed dark maroon, Easy Weed electric olive, pattern HTV fall plaid, and pattern HTV mustard fluoro. So like I said, I did look at these and I'm so pleased with this box. I kind of wish I would have known about it in enough time to get the July box, because I did see the Expressions Vinyl YouTube page, and the July box looked really pretty too. So here's the metal, what do they call it, metal red. I'm gonna have some fun with this, especially, you know, with the holidays coming up. We won't be able to invite people over for the holidays this year, but we can still have, it's enough of us in this house to have a nice Thanksgiving and Christmas. Okay, so this is the glitter copper. Can you guys see it without the ring light? There we go. That's so pretty. And this is the HTV, if I haven't said that already. Okay, and then this is the multi-use paper. So I guess you can use this to like iron when you're ironing on, or using your heat press for the HTV. Then we have our sun yellow, which is just like the mustard yellow we got for the adhesive. And it's really pretty. I love the Oracle 651. It's kind of some of the best heat transfer vinyl. If you are new to working with vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, Oracle has some of the best. And Expressions Vinyl plus Amazon has some of the best prices when it comes to like HTV and adhesive vinyl for the Oracle, because I get like the big rolls from Amazon. I'll try to remember to link them in my Amazon shop, and you can check that out, because I'll try to remember my best, but keep my brain. Okay, and this one is the dark maroon. Come on, ring light. Okay, there we go. It's dark maroon. It looks really purple to me visually. I don't know how it looks to you guys, but it looks more like a plum to me than a maroon, but that's just me. Maybe it looks different to you guys. Then we have the electric olive. This is really nice. That would look nice with that either the metallic red or the yellow, you know, to like put on a shirt, make like a cute design on a shirt with that. And then we have the fall plaid, which is just the same as the fall plaid for the adhesive. And remember I told you about the sticker is really telling, because this is the same plaid they use for the sticker on the box. And then we have our mustard floral. This is really cute. I would probably put this like inside some words or something. That would be really cute, right? Okay guys, so that is it for the Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box. I hope you guys liked it. If you're new to my channel and you're not used to my brand of comedy, this is me, okay? Okay, those of you who have been with me for a while know that I like to make fun of myself. I like to just be more personable, you know. Just because I'm doing videos doesn't mean you shouldn't know the real me. So it's just, you know, sometimes it's just utterly impossible. It may be 2 weeks, it may be 3 weeks before I put a video out. It may be a month before I can do a DIY or a tutorial, but it's easy for me to just show you things that I purchased and things like that. So try to understand, try to bear with me. look at my old content and realize that I do get creative. I just haven't been very creative right now because it's hard. It's hard moving around with this thing. It's hard to, you know, just be normal because I feel so nauseous all the time. And it's hard like trying to sit up and create because I just don't have the energy. And now that it's getting cold here in Michigan, I have to deal with the lung issue, which causes me pain. It's not like your average asthmatic because I've had surgery on my lungs, fixed 3 areas that ruptured. So it hurts for me. So I have this pain and everything's happening on my left side. I got the port on my left side. The lung surgery was here, here, and here. Something like that. But anyway, so it hurts. I'm in pain a lot, guys. So today I feel good and I'm grateful. I'm so grateful, always grateful for you guys watching my videos, your comments, your kind words. Some of you have emailed me. Some of you have direct messaged me. You know, the support I'm getting right now just gives me hope and it gives me more strength, you know, because I have a reason to show the world that I can overcome this tragedy that's going on with me right now. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Go ahead and put your name on the mailing list if you want an Expressions vinyl mystery box next time in November. You can put your name on the mailing list. They email you right when they're starting to get ready to ship out the new mystery boxes in November. You'll get an email. They'll email and tell you when to go ahead and you know, choose your subscription or purchase your box. Again, they only charge you the day before they ship it. If you want to follow me on social media, that is linked in the description. And Nika's Life for the updates and everything with the cancer, that is in the description as well. And I will see you next time. Bye.